So is the screen viewable?
Yep.
Okay, great. All right, so best, well, these are the worldwide ones. Let me go back to the North America. I was going to talk North America first, but best events, kind of hard to to select best events these days. So many of them have good path certainty. So I just sort of, in this case, I call it the easy events. Easy events, which are probably the easiest ones to observe, meaning the star position looks good, the the path uncertainty is very good, and the star is bright. And so I just picked a few events in North America and then a few events worldwide to talk about here. It looks like there's about 10 events in North America, which I'll run through real quick, February through December 26th. So here's this first one, runs down the east half of the United States in February, magnitude 7.6 star. Asteroid's about 58 kilometers diameter. This should be a very easy one to observe if the weather cooperates. And then here's another one in February. This one is really down across Mexico, and then into South America as well. Again, 7.6 magnitude star, and in this case, 94 kilometer, whatever, sized asteroid. Here's another southern one across the Caribbean with Metis, large asteroid, 170 kilometers in diameter, and again, of magnitude 7.5 star. So northern Mexico as well, and a little bit of the tip of southern Texas is involved. And here's another asteroid. This is a magnitude 6.4. This is all the way into August now. So, and across Florida and Mexico. Asteroid is 30 kilometers diameter, but the path uncertainty I think the path uncertainty on all of these, the formal path uncertainty is less than 1/10 of a path width. So all very good path certainties. Here's another one in August, goes over Western Canada and northwestern US, magnitude 5.5 star. The Gaia reliability number is actually pretty good. The RUE number is pretty good at 1.0. No other indication of being a double star, so that's unusual for a magnet star that bright. But the asteroid's 20 kilometers diameter. Duration is a little short at about 2 seconds. This is a very good event, which I think will be an interesting one for maybe a campaign late August. Magnitude 6.5 star, 50 kilometer diameter asteroid, 5-second duration event, and looks like reasonably close to, it's kind of late at night, so probably well after sunset at that time of night. So another bright star event, magnitude 7, 24 kilometer diameter asteroid, eastern Canada, a little bit of the northeastern part of the US. Another one, this one's a little low altitude in the southeast US, but it's magnitude 7. And then across Mexico again. Here's one across the central US and Mexico, 7th magnitude star, 24 kilometer diameter asteroid. And then another one, similarly, kind of South Texas and Mexico, magnitude 4.9 star, and 80 kilometer diameter asteroid, 17-second duration. So other than the somewhat low altitude on the eastern part of the path, that should be a pretty good event. So that's a quick run through some interesting events for 2025 across North America. That one with Impreneta, yes, this one. This one I think will probably be an interesting one for maybe doing an IOTA campaign that covers much of the broad part of the region. Then here's a few events for across the world, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 events. So here's one over Europe, magnitude 7.8, January 9th, 200 kilometer diameter asteroid, Thisbe, good reliability. This should be, it's northern Europe, but still should be a very good event. Easy one to pick up if you're in the path. Another one interesting with 60-kilometer diameter asteroid and magnitude 6.3 star across Indonesia, Southeast Asia, India, and Southwest Asia. There's one across southern Japan, magnitude 7.4 star and 40-kilometer diameter asteroid. One over Australia, magnitude 7.6 star, 75-kilometer diameter asteroid. Another one over Australia, in this case, and Africa as well, magnitude 5 star. The stars has a notable diameter of 1.5 MOS, but the asteroid is 70 milliarc seconds, so I don't think it'll be have a big effect. It's really going to be an occultation rather than a transit. Asteroid's 135 kilometers in diameter, Pulkova, which I believe it does have one moon, so that could be an interesting one to observe because you never know what the orientation of the moon might be. You might get lucky and pick up a cord on the moon. And then we have this one last one, which is Dynamine, magnitude 7.5, large asteroid, 130 kilometers in diameter over Europe. It's in the twilight, but with magnitude 7.5 star, it should still be an interesting event. And so that's my list of events there.
Thank you, Steve.
Sure.
That'll keep us busy.
Yes, there should be a few to play with there. So if I got am I off share now?
No, I think you're still sharing.
All right, I figured out how to turn that off.
Okay.
Is that off now?
No, we still see.
Okay, right.
Interesting.
Yeah, I just got to turn it off. I see a share option. How about a don't share option here?
Right. Yeah, there should be a stop share option somewhere.
That would be nice, wouldn't it?
Let's see here. Yeah. Let's see. Hang on there. Yeah, I don't see an option.
It's usually on the top of the title bar.
Yeah.
Oh, there. Okay, well, that's where it is.
Buying.
Why not under the share menu? I don't know, but okay.
Thanks, Ted.
Thank you.